This video solves problem 1 from the Project Euler. It says find the sum of numbers that are multiples of 3 and 5 and below 1000. And here it says below 1000, and it means 1000 is exclusive. To accomplish this, we will first find the numbers that are multiples of 3, then the numbers that are multiples of 5, and add them together. But there can be numbers that are both multiples of 3 and 5. We will be counting them twice. So at the end, we have to subtract them back from the total. Now let's put this in code. First, let's create a sum variable and set it to 0. Let's use a for loop to find the multiples of 3. So for I in range 0 to 1000, and with steps of 3, this will count as 0, 3, 6, and so on. And at each iteration, it should add this I to the sum. Now let's do the same thing for multiples of 5. So for j in range 0 to 1000 again, but this time with steps of 5. Sum equals sum plus j. Now let's subtract numbers that are multiples of 15, because we are counting them twice if we hadn't. For x in range 0 to 1000 with steps of 15, sum minus equals x. After all these operations, let the program print the sum. We get this number. Let's copy it and paste here and check it. And yep, it's actually the number. We have completed this challenge 1.